Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Menace Rides. In this episode, I'm super excited. We did an auction purchase on a vehicle. We were set up for an Audi TT and Audi S-Line, and none of that happened apparently. Carla and Michael ended up watching the auction. They went through a couple of vehicles and they ended up with a Mercedes-Benz AMG. I don't know what it is, and we're on our way to collect this. So stay tuned because it's going to be an epic episode. We've got all our kits so that we can go fetch it this morning and hopefully drive it back 80 miles without test driving the vehicle. We're going to fetch this vehicle from an auction and driving it back 80 miles. I don't know what vehicle it is, so we're getting prepared. I've got a basic toolkit, I've got fuel, I've got a jump lead, I've got water. I don't know what else I can take with me. I don't know what to expect. I hope this thing makes it home. Stay tuned so that you can see and find out what vehicle we've just purchased. Right guys, so we've loaded all our tools and our gear and our rigs and everything. We are on our way to go fetch our salvage Mercedes-Benz AMG. I still don't know what it is. My wife won't let up. Michael's been quiet about it. He's actually off for the time being. He's had to take care of himself and some things at home. So Carla's helping me on this one, and we're going to fast forward you on our road trip. We're going to get there and let's see what we got going. Right guys, we're 10 minutes away from the salvage yard. I'm getting more and more excited. I'm buzzing. I just want to know what AMG we got. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe guys. We're going to get there together. We're going to see the car for the first time together. I hope it's nice. I know what was spent on the vehicle, and if it's a C250 AMG, it's going to be proper banged up. I don't know guys. I'm super excited. Let's get there. Let's see what we got. Like, share, subscribe, stay tuned. Right guys, we've arrived at the salvage yard. I thought it was an 80-mile trip. It's over 100 miles. We've just driven for an hour, 45 minutes to get here. I'm super stoked, super excited. I'm getting more and more nervous. Carla still won't let up after 2 hours of driving. I just don't know if it's a petrol engine or a diesel engine or a C-Class or an E-Class. So stay tuned. We'll video it coming out. Carla will signal me when it's out. I'm excited. Let's see what we got. Guys, this is hectic. Look at these machines. Look at these vehicles. This place is mad. It's busy. It's buzzing. We're sitting waiting. I'm super excited. Just can't wait. Let's go, Carla. Is that our car, Carla?
That's the car.
That's our car, Carla.
Is that it? That's the car.
Okay. I see a two-door C-Class AMG. I don't know what year model it is. Let's go see what we got.
Put it in the place.
Oh wow,
first.
the body looks straight. Well, a lot of circles. Oh, look at that. I'm super stoked. Let's go see. Let's have a look. Okay, it's got some body scratches. This is an AMG. Let's have a look at the back. What have we got? Bodywork looks pretty straight. Guys, it's a C250 turbo diesel AMG. With some cable ties. With some plastic. We've got some boots.
Spare wheel.
We have a spare wheel. Guys, Carla's gonna try drive this home. I'll be following. How does this work? We've got a spare wheel.
You got a
We've
toe.
got a jack. We've got a wheel nut. I think it's our battery housing. I don't know if we've got a toggle.
Maybe it might be in the glove.
Alright, let's go look at the car. Look at the car, guys. Let's look at the car.
It's a nice colour.
Straight body line, a bit of scratches on the wheels. We can buy new badges. Polish it up. Let's look at the body line. It's an awesome color. I love the color. This is our first Mercedes. This is our first AMG Mercedes. Super happy. Michael, Carla, well done on the purchase. Guys, we're gonna do a quick vital check on this car. That means oil, water, tires. Let's have a look at the interior.
It still smells nice. I can smell the air freshener.
Let's see. This car smells good, guys.
It smells
Look
like
at this
blossom.
interior. It's got the aluminium avant-garde finish. It's got the red detail stitching on the gear shifter boot. It's got the two-tone leather. None of the seats are torn. That's a bonus. Look at these seats, guys. This is an awesome car. Wow. For the money we paid, Carla, you guys did awesome. 2 seats at the back. I don't know who's going to fit there with their legs. Hopefully they're short. But that's awesome. Awesome. Our gauges are there. Everything's there. The key is there. Should we give it a start, Carla?
Start, yeah.
Carla, should we start? Oh, I don't care. Let's start this thing, man. We drove 2 hours. They didn't. Okay, clutch in, key in. Do we have battery? We've got lights. Let's see the clocks. Okay, we've got 72,856 miles on the clock. Not bad. Mercedes-Benz infotainment system on. This car starts, guys.
It only says service overdue.
On the button. What a purchase. Mercedes-Benz C250 AMG. The series starts now. We're going to try drive this thing home. We're going to check all the vitals, obviously. We're going to check oil, water, tire pressure, fuel, and hit the road.
Fuel's
Let's
on
go.
just short of quarter.
Let's go, Carla. Hi, guys. We've just done 70 miles of our trip on the way back to our workshop / barn, back to our Minas Rides barn. Carla climbed in the vehicle at the salvage yard and decided just to drive off. You're supposed to only go out of that salvage yard on a flatbed or with a stiff tow bar, which I did come prepared with. She was happy with the way the car started and felt. We did the vitals checks. There was oil, water, tires, and fuel, and she drove out of there, no problems. And we've done 70 miles on a sight unseen Mercedes-Benz C250 AMG. This is a hardcore purchase. This is a hectic trip, and so far so good. Temperature, everything's looking good. We've got 30 miles to go. We've done a quick stop for a coffee break, stretch our legs. We're going to top up the fuel on this diesel and hit the road. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, guys. Tell us what you think we should do to this rig. I mean, a guy doesn't know. Are we painting the wheels? Are we putting a wrap? We've obviously got to fix the dents and the scratches, but should we wrap this thing? Should we paint this thing? Let me know, guys. It's the first Merc we've had, the first AMG series we've had. If you know something about these cars that we don't maybe know, or you got some advice, or you got some ideas, just let us know in the comments, guys. We want this to be fun for you, fun for us, and this is awesome. Let's go, Carla. Right, guys, the Mercedes-Benz AMG C250's just landed at the barn. Let's have a look at it. Right, so this is the sight unseen, like we explained to you guys. This is just a short video of the introduction of the series on this Merc. We're thinking, obviously, we're going to have to respray it or wrap it. It's got the AMG rims. We're going to do a touch on those rims. We're going to customize the rims. It's got the black piano accents in it. It's got the two-tone with the red stitching. Awesome, awesome styling. Again, the suede leather with the hide leather. It's got the avant-garde silver, which I love. Right, looking at the vehicle damage, the rims are obviously done for. It's got the tinted windows, it's got the black accents, it's got the rear tinted window as well. It's got all the AMG featured bumpers, side skirts and front. It is the two-door coupe. You've got all these scratches. There's obviously somebody hated their wife or had an argument, or a husband got upset, or the wife got upset, or a teenager got upset. So, guys, don't scratch your vehicles when you're upset with your partner. Kids, don't scratch your parents' vehicles when you're upset. Or just keep scratching them and we'll keep buying them. How's that? Alright, guys, that's it. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. We bought a vehicle. We're going to be doing a full build on it. So please subscribe, hit the bell notification button so you can see and get notified as soon as we do updates on this vehicle. Unfortunately for today, that's it. We're going to park it for now. We're going to run through a checklist. We obviously need to service this vehicle. It's crying for a service. 505 days ago is what the cluster is telling Carla. It's gone into limp mode. I think it's because of that. So we'll get it mechanically sound, and from there we'll start pimping this ride. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, guys. Menace Rides UK.